Hi, I'd like to rent some tools from your shop.
Of course, what kind of tools are you looking for?
I need a power drill, a saw and a sander.
We have all of those available for rent. How long do you need them for?
I'll need them for the weekend.
Great, that will be $50 for the weekend rental.
That sounds good. Can I also rent a ladder?
Yes, we have ladders available for rent as well. That will be an additional $20 for the weekend.
Perfect. Can I also pick up the tools today and return them on Monday?
Yes, we are open until 6 p.m. today and we open again at 9 a.m. on Monday.
Great, I'll come by and pick them up later this afternoon. Can I also pay with a credit card?
Yes, we accept all major credit cards.
Excellent, I'll see you later this afternoon to pick up the tools. Thanks for your help.
No problem, we're happy to help. See you later.